How to fix WhatsApp SMS verification code not received. Now, if you're trying to send an OTP or a one-time password via your WhatsApp application and you're not receiving it, here's how you can fix it. Before you go ahead and resend the OTP via your WhatsApp application, just simply tap and hold on your WhatsApp icon and go into the I logo. This will redirect you into the WhatsApp application info. And from here, all I have to do is go into storage. Now comply both of these options below, which is going to be clear data and clear cache. Once you've cleared everything from your WhatsApp storage, try to resend the OTP or the verification code once again. If not working, try to do some troubleshooting steps with the specific SIM card itself. Just go into your settings, then go to connections, and then choose on SIM manager and choose on more SIM settings. And from here, you just have to make sure that SIM card that you're inserting in your mobile device is actually reading from your mobile so that you can receive SMS from your WhatsApp application. And that's it. That's how you fix WhatsApp SMS verification code not received.